question that is based on the minimum spanning tree, and here the graph is given as an adjacency matrix here. So you can check a complete undirected graph G that contains a set of vertices V, V1 to V5. So it means 5 vertices we have in the graph, and a matrix W is used to represent weight of Hij as Wij. So these are the indexes, right? Now find the possible cost of minimum spanning tree. So first draw the graph with the help of this adjacency matrix, right? So you can check here how many vertices are there. 5 vertices. So you can write as V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Similarly V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Okay. So now Wij, it means a particular cell in this matrix. Okay, a particular value. For example, if you are talking V1, V2, so it means the weight of this edge between V1 to V2 is 3. Similarly, if you are talking V3, V1, V3, V1 column. Okay, so it means edge between 3 to 1 node, and the weight of that edge will be 4. So this is a complete undirected graph. Okay, so every node is connected with the another node. So let us draw the graph first. So 5 vertices are there, right? You can give the name as V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Okay, start with V1. So V1 to V1 is 0. So it means no edge exists from V1 to V2. Sorry, V1 to V1. Now V1 to V2, yes, there is an edge, and the weight of this one V1 to V2. V1 is the first, this is source, this is destination. Column will represent destination, row will represent source. So V1 to V2, edge, and the weight of this one is 3, right? V1 to V3, so V1 to V3, weight is 4. V1 to V4, V1 to V4, weight is 7. V1 to V5, weight is 11. Right? So we have completed one row here. It means in this case we considered V1 as a source and all other nodes are destination. Now V2, consider V2 as a source. So V2 to V1, what is the cost? 3. V2 to V1, cost is 3. We have already drawn this one. V2 to V2, 0, no edge, self edge. V2 to V3 is 9. So V2 to V3 is 9. V2 to V4 is this value, 12. So V2, V4 is 12. V2 to V5, V2 to V5, and the value of V2 to V5 is 8. V2 to V5 is 8 here. Clear? Now next V3. So V3 to V1 4, V3 to V1 4, we have already done it. V3 to V2 9, V3 to V2 we have already done it. V3 to V3 0, no edge. V3 to V4 1. So V3 to V4, this is 1. V3 to V5, that is 10. Now come to V4. So V4 to V1 we have drawn it. V4 to V2, V4 to V3, V4 to V4, V4 to V5. So V4 to V5, that is given as 4. Right? Now if you will check for V5, V5 to V1 we have already done it. V4 to V1, that is 11. V4 to V2, 8. V4 to V3, 10. V4 to V5 to V4, that is 4, and V5 to V5 0, no. So this is my complete graph now according to this given adjacent matrix there. Okay, now the next task is find out the spanning tree here. Again you have two options, either you can follow Prim's algorithm or you can follow Kruskal algorithm. Okay, so let me take the Prim's algorithms here. So if you are talking about Prim's algorithm, how it starts, it requires a root node from where you will start the process. So I am saying suppose V1 is the root node from where you can start it. V1. Okay. Now look at the adjacent of this node. So what are the adjacent? This edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, and select the minimum. So weight of this one is 3, this one is 4, this one is 11, this one is 7. So what is the minimum? This. Okay. Now process this node with all its adjacent. So this adjacent, this edge, this edge, this edge. Okay, so now look at the candidates. So here is 9, this one is 8, this is 4, this is 12, this is 7, this is 11. So minimum value is 4. So you can select 4 here. Okay, this is the minimum value. And now you are processing this node V3. Now, okay. Now take all the adjacent edges of this V3. Ye we have considered. Now consider these two also. So now you will look at the values that are supposed to be considered: 9, 8, 12, 11, 7, 1 and 10. So the minimum value is this one, 1. Okay. Now you are going to process this node. Okay. Now adjacent of this one, this and this also you can consider. Now select the minimum value from 9, 4, 12, 11, 7, 4 and 10. Okay. So here you will look what is the minimum value. The two values we have minimum here. What are those values? First value is this. Now only one we have, this 4, right? So you can select this 4 here. So this will be your minimum spanning tree. Now, so this is the minimum spanning tree of this graph. Now what will be the cost? So cost will be, first you will add this 3 plus this weight of this edge is 4 plus weight of this edge is 1 plus weight of this edge is 4. So 3, 4, 7, 8 plus 4, 12. So the cost of this minimum spanning tree is 12. Thank you.